in that situation. He can never disappoint you, cause He's with you. Oh, He will never disappoint you. He can never disappoint you. He will never disappoint you. He can never disappoint you. He can never disappoint you. He can never disappoint you. He will never disappoint you. He can never disappoint you. He can never disappoint. He has never disappointed. Yes. And He will never disappoint. He can never disappoint. Oh, yes. I know my Jesus. We know our Jesus. He can never disappoint. In that situation of yours, Jesus is with you. Oh, He has never left you. He's with you. Ibuliri, Isim, Igozi wa karakame in your demosi wu kakurumno Ibuliri, Isim, Igozi wa karakame in your demosi wu kakurumno My mouth cannot tell it all. Lord, if I have 10,000 tongues, it will never be enough to give you thanks.